Good day to all. Today we are solving one more problem in the machine learning subject, which is asked in the July 2025 previous year question paper. So the problem which we are considering now is SVD, that is singular value decomposition, with the given marks, given matrix A is equals to 1, 2, 4, 9, and which is asked for the 10 marks. And the problem is asked many times repeatedly, but the values may differ. Okay, so just learn the method and apply it on the given problem. Okay, so problem is like this. 1, 2, 4, 9 is a given problem. Okay, and you have to first find the A transpose into A. That is, transpose means you have to take rows into, you have to convert the rows into columns, columns into rows. The matrix will be 1, 4, 2, 9. Okay, so matrix will be 1, 4, 2, 9, and that you have to multiply with the given matrix A, that is 1, 2, 4, 9. So 1, 4, 2, 9 is multiplied with the 1, 2, 4, 9. You will get this as a matrix. Okay, and the next step 2 will be AT into A, the whatever the given matrix minus lambda into I you have to do. So I is the identity matrix, so you will get this as a matrix. Okay, so when you solve this by using multiplying determinant, that is 17 minus lambda into 85 minus lambda minus 38 into 38. Okay, so when you solve this equation, you will get the lambda 1 as 1.99 and lambda 2 as 0.01. Okay, step 3 will be finding the eigenvalue. So the first value you have to consider, that is 1.99, and that you have to solve. Okay, so this is a given AT&T matrix, ATA. So this is the 17, 38, 38 and 85. So that matrix and x1, x2, and here the eigen first value lambda 1. Okay, so here you have to substitute this 17 into 38, 17 into x1, 38 into x2, which is equals to 101.99 into x1, x2. So like that you have to solve the equations. Okay, once you solve the equations, you will get the coordinates here. X1 is equals to 1 and y is equals to 2.25. Okay, so and again you have to find the values here by applying this formula, that is x1 divided by square root of x1 whole square plus x2 whole square. These are the two values you have to substitute, and you have to find the vector value v1 and v2. Okay, similarly x2 will be this one, and you have to apply and solve. Okay, similarly whatever the lambda value you have found out here, similarly you have to find the lambda 2 value in the place of lambda 1, and you have to solve. Fine, so this is how you will get solutions here. Just solve these equations, equate it to the 0 here. So you will get this as a equation, and the second equation will be this 2, and solve both of it, you will get y1 and y2. Okay, so that is x1, x and y value that you have to again substitute in this formula, same formula. So v2 you will get it. Okay, the transpose you have to take, this is a v2. Okay, now v1 and v2 you have to write here, and that transpose you have to take. So v1 value, I think you remember, this is the v1 value. When you substitute these values, you will get the v1 value. Similarly, when you substitute v2 value, you will get this. Okay, these two are the v1 and v2 values that transpose if you take rows into columns it will be. Okay, then here sigma is equals to lambda 1 0 and sigma 2. So summation value you have to find, this is sigma is equals to root under lambda 1 and lambda 2. Lambda 1 and lambda 2 are the values root you have to take. Okay, that is the summation value. Now, so whatever the summation is there, that again you are writing in the singular matrix form, that is 10.099 and 0, 0 and 0.1. Okay, same you are just substituting here sigma 1 and sigma 2 in the summation equation, summation matrix. Then to find the left singular matrix you have to solve this 1 by sigma 1. Sigma 1 is what? This one. Okay, into A is a given matrix, and v1 we have calculated in the previous method, this formula. So this is what is v1 you will get. Okay, so that you have to substitute, and you have to multiply here same like a matrix. So whatever the 1 into this, 2 into this, the whatever the answer after adding you will get, divided by this you will get this answer. Similarly 4 into this plus 9 into this whatever the answer you get, divide by 10, you will get this as the answer. Similarly, sigma 2 is what? 0.1. So that you have to substitute all the values here, v1, v2, a as well as sigma 2, will get this as the answer. Okay, again u is equals to u1 and u2. So u1 is this one and u2 is this one. So that you are written here. Now again you have to verify. So once you verify, you should get back your a here. So a is equals to u. So whatever the answer is, this summation that we calculated here, this is our summation, this is singular matrix summation, and then vt is transpose of the matrix that we have calculated here. So all the three when you multiply, okay, all the three when you multiply, you should get back the a, then it shows that your SVD is properly correct. Okay, this is a solution for the given problem. So make sure go through and try to solve it properly. Okay, all the best for your exams.